fade wallpaper, and here is double layer inside. 对，等一下，等一下，先把这个打开，先把这个打开，先不要放下去啊。
这个放下去了吗？现在打开了吗？
等一下，收。This one is close。这里不对呀，这个。
这是打开的。
这个位置不对呀，这边。
这打开这个不要放到上面。
This one is open. 等一下，拿出来先。You say this one is if this turn is count and fade inside, fade center. 好，小心手。Be care. That one is water. So you should close. While close. You see, it's automatic pull. And then from the brush, center from the brush, and the center, the silent oil, and from the under, and then to the pass the prison board, and under the wall, and then fade to the punch wall. Fade into the punch wall. Fade into the punch wall and come out. So the point here should come out. And then push the cylinder with that, and then push the cylinder. And then jog check. Jog he should check the center, adjust the center. Adjust to check in the center. Keep in the center. Keep the point in the center, and then press cylinder, push on, cylinder push down, and then can fade the tip. And hair adjustment, keep in the center. Adjustment the guide. To keep in the center. Little guide, but not too tight. Just a little guide, almost guide to the center. And then you should adjustment the here also the rubber guide. The rubber guide. A little guide. And then you should measure the mark, the point mark length. 多少呢？把你量准一点嘛。We should check the point mark.
帮我这个拉一下，我想。
Point mark length.
152。
等一下啊。Almost 152. 152. 好。And then we should change the fade length, bottom fade length.
设到多两个，152设到153或154。
Because this 152 print mark 152 and we should set 为什么要多设一点呢？
它送出的对谱更准一点。
152多少
153、154都可以。
为什么呢？
多一点不能少了，它送这长度才够。
You should set a little more. That means you should feed more than the print mark. For example, the print mark is 152. You should set the feed length over 152. That means you should set 153 or 154. 然后呢？
要把这个色标是吧？色标点开。
Search for mark, and you should set search for.
色标。
This one should set for the color standard. You should set the color standard. This one is off, is fade by length. This one is set by the search the mark. That means he will fade against the mark, and here will fade against the mark. 好。And then we should adjustment the quasar. Adjustment the quasar against the print mark.
把这个圆推到这个压片的中间。
You should ensure this one in the center. In the center, the quasar in the center. Quasar in the center should move. We should move. You see, not in the center. The white lot in the center. See the printing here. You should make center matrix. Here is move. Another side, both sides, and a little move. White lot move to match in the center. Almost in the center. First, almost in the center, and then later, slowly adjustment. We can adjustment slowly to check almost in the center, in the print center.
这个压位的中间，对着这个下面中间。
Yeah. Almost in the center. And here, first you should here in the center. 这个已经移动了呀。
这没移动啊，这不是刚刚组织的吗
？You should first here should be in the center, and then do this. Another side, little loss. You see, first only the center one loss, and later, because we should do the small adjustment. Need slowly adjustment step by step. And also the top part, the top prison board. Together match. Together, they should match. Slowly, jog, slowly. Very slowly. There is pin nut. There is location hole. There is a pin location. So you should slowly, very slowly. One jog, very slowly, little clean. And then we should adjustment the mark, the print mark. 等一下啊。 让你看不见，这个也看不见。We should adjustment. Which? What now we should adjustment the print mark. We should adjustment points the right and the mark the edge, the side edge. See, this is the point. White and black. Almost the side. 什么灯？这是红，这是黄灯亮是吧？
对。
黄灯亮起来的吧，是吧？
现在换灯开的。
这黄灯是什么意思嘛？
黄灯是照到标了嘛
？This one means is already the yellow. The yellow line means is already point. It's already point the mark.
然后我们对标。
And then we use the search mark. We press search mark. Search mark. 那个可以，那边已经松起来了啊。
对，就先把这个升起来。
哪个升起来？
把这个点一下，等一下。
We should fit, let the cylinder up. Let the cylinder. This one, let the paper cylinder up. That means not push on paper. And then we press search. 这个啊，是不是？
那个压下来没？
没有。压下来吗？
没有压下来。
You should put it down. That means that's the servo motor worker. We should ensure the servo motor. Because the search mark is work with the cylinder is up. The cylinder is up. That means this one is already pushed down it's already pushed out.
这时候之前要裁开才能送个。
啊？
这个地方要松开。
You should let all the parts separate. This one should separate, and then we search. We print.
然后就按下寻标。
We check. We search the mark. Search for the mark. You see? It's already automatic and move a needle. 它这个位置有移动了。
移动了。
啊。然后这还可以再那个吗？再按一下子寻标吗？
可以，再按一下可以。
You see, we press, search for the mark. This one will auto. 等一下啊，把它搬一下。This one will move. We press search for the mark. See? Let's move a little. And then the paper. The paper is fit to here. This one is for the search for the mark. 好。Here, cylinder is already done. This one cylinder. Cylinder is control the servo motor press, the water press, and the servo motor fit paper.
然后主要看这个位置在不在中间。
And you check it's in the center or not.
现在不在中了。
啊。Not in the center. I need.
这个不在中。
You see? This one not in the center. I need. That means you should a little adjustment. A little adjustment against the back. This fade a little more. This fade a little more. What means fade a little more? What means? 为什么呢？
这个少走一点。现在不是照这个边吗？照这个边，再往后再来一点。
Move a little back, move a little back because the fade a little more. Search for mark. Press search for mark. This a little back， 就是往后太多了，这边 not almost in the center。这边没切断。这样看的。你把那个先把那个去掉，其实那个要去掉，那个先要去掉，先把这个要去掉。While we adjustment here, we should first loose this off because this one will affect the punch tool. We should lose the pressure. We should lose the pressure. We should lose the pressure. And let not punch the hole. You see? Separate. Let it separate. After the finish adjustment, and then we can do it. Other. Not punch the hole. Not punch the side hole.那里没有切断，那还要调一下。稍微差一点点。This one you see, not almost center, little, slowly adjustment. This one little more. 这边多了一点，还要往这边送一点点。你看，这里，你看这里，这边多了一点点嘛，然后过来一点点。We should fade, need forward, need forward. 对， need forward. Adjustment the search, turn the search back.
往后面去，不是往前那个，往后。
不是啊，它这样子的嘛，这应该往前多送一点嘛。
现在送的太多了。
啊，这是飞的little more，这是飞的little more。不是啊，往前送的太多了。
对啊。
这是飞的little more， so little back。先把它刀调一下吧。There is not cut because there is side not cut, so adjustment to the middle side. The edge, side edge not cut, so just middle.
是用那个刀的，因为我拿那个纸太宽了，我把刀给换了。
So we change the blade because the blade is different. The printing mark, we had mail. They have some problem. They not same. We had made the printing mark. Some of them is 152, some of them is 153, and it's not same distance. So we set the thread length 155. We change to 155 because it's not same. It's not very accurate. The problem, we have problem. Some of them is 152, some of them is 153. And here is adjustment to the sanding oil. Here is adjustment to sanding oil. Show the center. 好像要过来一点。The center. Almost in the center. And here is the heating. Hot air heating, second hot air, and the aluminum hot heating. And here is a pool system, motor pool. And here is a truck, front truck. This thing we can check. Not same, because the print accurate 还是有点不一样。You say not same. 有的长还是短？
那自动上面看印刷率有问题，你看这是基本上均匀了。
The printing accurate, not same. The printing length not good. So that's why there's a problem. Okay, not same. So the truck have problem because you see the printing area. You see there are problem. There is a problem with the print. There is problem with print. You see, there is something different. Because of the printing length not same. The printing not same. We push some oil. We push some oil here. Spray oil. Spray the oil. Spray the setting oil. You see? This one doesn't matter. This the setting oil. Setting oil injection. When you push on the setting oil injection. So let the oil come to there. Injection the oil. Setting oil inject to the sponge.
你这它的颜色不一样
啊？
它颜色不一样，
怎么不一样？
是不是？
这不一样，不是。
啊？不是啊，我跟这个比一点，那个轻一点。
它的四周不均匀嘛，四周不均匀嘛，有深一点的，有浅一点的。
对呀。
它的四周不均匀没关系的，它四周没关系的。它的四周你看嘛，这四周深一点的、浅一点的。
对啊，是啊是啊。
那个没关系的。看，差太多了。这个还好，这个还好。这切个的分成嘛啊，有一个。You see, there's not accurate. You see this one not good. This one similar, but so that's why we check the printing mark. Printing mark we check. What now we just the hole. You see, we already make the lead. Almost in the center. We almost make the lead. So right now we adjust the hole. The lead, the patch, espresso. Right now we make the lead, the hole, adjust the hole. To push it down. To move the location. This one is air hole. This one is air hole. Top and bottom part. And that one is side hole. Because this one, you see, the print design, the drink hole only on this place. The air hole we should put on this place. So we should change the location. You see, the location is here, like this place. So we should adjust the hole like this against the location. Here move the top part, and then we will move the bottom part. Here is the top part, top punch part. Drink hole, the drink hole, and the air hole. And then we move the bottom. The bottom base. Move the bottom base. Here is the bottom base. Here is the punch, the side hole, side drink hole, and here is the drink hole. Here is the air hole. 2 mm air hole and the drink hole. Here is the bottom base. Move the bottom base. After punch is like this. Because you see the location, the house place is here, so we should punch the house place here. And the air hole we moved here. Customer should adjust the hole location against here's the base. Here's together, male and female mode. And right now we move to the location for the base. You see, like this one. So check the location.
排在这边啊。
啊。
这个排到这边。
对。See this shape like this on this side, and this hole on this side, but the location only here. So separate. Because the printing mark, the printing area, the print length. This gap too much. This gap too much.
那你有个地方干不啥？啊，有一个，你给拿过来。
你要过来一点点吧，压子。To check the location. Lift the cylinder. Lift the cylinder. And then assemble the top. Mirror mode. To the match together. Slowly, be careful. 把这个拿出来先，这个先拿出来，这个拿出来。You see, here is a shape. And here is a plate, punch plate. And then, 刚才不是有个那个吗？
都拿掉了，都在这。
And then we should match the shape. You see? We should match the shape. You see? We should match the shape. Yeah? You should match the shape. See, put inside, and then loose, adjust the top part. another side.稍微有点紧，不对。There's something not correct. You cannot move top. So hair should be moved freely. Should be move free and stop free. Should move freely. Should move freely. Should move freely, very freely, smoothly. You should ensure this one move up and down freely. This one is very important. And what now we assemble back the paper. Fit back the paper. While you do it, you should cut the paper. You should cut the paper.这边还没出来。And press search mark. Press search mark. And this one on and press search mark. It says auto fit here. And then we will test the hole punch. And here, you should pressure down. To drop it. Slowly jog to check it punch freely. And then we use this one to separate the paper, to help separate the paper. While after punch, it's easy, freely separate the paper. No touch any parts, any place, just to separate. 要过来一点，太靠那边了，要碰着。这里要太靠那边了，再过来一点点，那里太靠了。
这压到这边已经压到纸了嘛？这个地方这里原来。
要过来一点点。And we will check the hole. We will check the hole and the pressure. 这个还要往这边过来一点吧。And here the hole. We against the hole location for adjustment. 可以再移一点吗？
可以。
You can move to the side about 6 mm. About from the side to this place about 6 mm. So it's adjustment. It's measure and adjustment. 你要往那边移吧。
往这边。
对。 It's mirror. You see, here is punch here. Should move a little to near the side. Should move a little this side. And this hole can move a little this side. So this one can move a little this side. Here is adjustment. One adjustment you can do like this. You can match together and move, and then move, and then move the board, move the top and bottom board and move together. And then you move this part, top and female and male more together. You see, it's already inside, the hole, the blade inside. This one is also blade inside, blade. You can move together. Because male and female move together, so you can move neither together. And measure the length. You should check the minimum, the maximum is to the side is about 6 to 7 mm, 6 to 7 millimeter. Near the side about 6 millimeter. And we tighten it again, the same to the hole, the same to the air hole, this one. And you see the pressure. If you load the hole, you move it, loose up. And we test again. Then we fill the paper again and put down and search the mark. And then we test again. You see, it's near the side now. It's near the side. First one is here. You see, hole. It's more near the side. You see. 这不在中心呢，有一点不在中心，好像。 Okay, here is a hole. Here is a side hole drink hole, side hole drink symbol. If you don't need it, you lose it. This one should, and what will fix it? What will fix it? And we open this one. Air hole, drink hole. And then to the pack. Stack this to the pack. Okay, we had finished the 4-punch setting. Okay, we had finished the 4-punch setting. The drink hole and the air hole. Air hole and the drink hole, air hole. We had over here finished the set. And right now we wait the temperature level. We wait the temperature level because temperature cylinder is on. We wait the temperature. We wait the temperature level. And also we wait the mode. We wait the mode become hot. Right now is heating the mode. Heating the mode. We need several minutes to heat the mode. We should check the mode become hot. We should check the mode become hot, and then we can start to feed the paper. We can start to feed the paper. And here is the air. Here is the air. And feed the paper to check.等一下，那里要移一下，往那边一点，这个要往那边一点，往那边一点。先把纸停掉吧，先把纸停掉。And right now we start the machine, two finger will start the machine. And feed paper automatic. Something is no cover line. 这里没有出来。
走掉。
啊？
走掉干什么？
啊？
要不要讲？
是那个没有纸盖。等一下，停止，这里。那个不行，那里还那吊盖有问题。吊盖有问题。 espresso paper cup lid, espresso paper cup lid, cycle cup lid, packing and cut, excellent, count and pack, espresso, Sweden. Fade wallpaper, full automatic, fade wallpaper, print mark, already printed paper. Signing oil, order punch, order clearing and side hole punch. If you load the hole, you can load it. Automatic, full automatic.